Hey guys, I'm Danny. I'm going to teach you how to make these really cute watercolor coasters. They're super unique and make great gifts. So the thing I like about this is I used epoxy resin, which is way harder. It kind of gives this nice shiny finish. I don't know if it'll pick up here. There we go. It's got a nice glossy finish to it. It'll last way longer than just putting Mod Podge over a picture. So as you can see, these are all watercolor images. Making a watercolor effect could not be easier. All you have to do is download this app called Watercolor. You tweak with the settings. It's kind of like an Instagram for watercolor. You can use any photos. My dad actually took these. He went around my college campus. And if you're familiar, then get them. I made it super easy for myself. I went to Walgreens and they have a 4x4 size, which is perfect because that's the size of these coasters. And so they cut it out for you. You don't have to deal with the extra photo material. The thing I like about Walgreens is they have a matte option. Now you can't pick that up in store, which is kind of annoying, but you can order it online and the shipping isn't too expensive. So yeah, you can get it sent straight to your door. The thing I like about it being matte is obviously they're watercolors, and I know you're putting a glossy epoxy resin on top, but what you don't have to worry about with matte photos is you can touch the top of them when you're putting it down initially with the Mod Podge, and you don't have to worry about your fingerprint showing up on matte, which just makes your life so much easier. All right, I feel like I've been talking way long enough. Let's just get into it. All you're going to need for this project are coasters, photographs, Mod Podge and a paintbrush, 2-part clear coating and casting resin, a measuring cup and plastic cups, aluminum foil, blowtorch, a spreader, corkboard with adhesive backing, and tape. I forgot to include an image. So I find it easiest to just put the Mod Podge directly on the tile. It's, for whatever reason, it's a little bit harder to put it on the back of the photo and then put the photo on the tile. So I think you can just Mod Podge directly on, or use honestly any kind of glue. I just prefer Mod Podge. And then you're gonna take your photo, and I bought the matte kind from Walgreens. What this allows you to do is you can touch the entire top of the photo with your fingerprints, or with your fingers, and it won't leave fingerprints, which I really like. It's a little bit extra from Walgreens, and you have to pay for the shipping. You can't go pick it up at Walgreens, but it just makes this process so much easier when you're putting it onto the tile. And just make sure it's all smoothed down so there are no bubbles. And then make sure it's even with how you want it. Oops. Make sure it's just evenly centered on your tile. Then you'll just let this sit until the Mod Podge is dry, and then you can go in with your epoxy resin. Alright, once you have them marked, you're actually going to empty out the water and dry it really good, and then add your epoxy and resin. If you're having a hard time popping off these little pieces, I actually recommend using this scalpel. I got mine with my Cricut accessories. Never thought I would use it. It actually comes in really handy now that I need to do this project. Just get yourself some little scalpel. It'll work really well to get underneath and not kill your nails.